Germany 6,638 cases in 24 hours, a record. Germany has counted 6,638 coronavirus cases in 24 hours, a record for the country since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, according to official data released Thursday. The news came just hours after the announcement of new restrictions in the 16 regional states, aimed precisely at preventing the resurgence of the pandemic. The previous highest toll of daily contaminations dates back to March 28 with 6,294 cases. Chancellor Angela Merkel announced Wednesday evening after a meeting with officials of the 16 regional states the introduction of new, more restrictive measures. For example, the number of participants in private events will be limited in regions recording more than 35 new contaminations per 100,000 inhabitants over 7 days. In these areas, masks will be mandatory wherever people are close to each other for a period of time. Gatherings will be limited to 25 people in public establishments and 15 in private rooms. I am convinced that what we are going to do now will determine how we get through this pandemic, commented the Chancellor. We can see that the rate of infections is increasing and that in some areas it is very high, she added. This is the reason why we must prevent uncontrolled or exponential growth. If the figure of 50 new contaminations per 100,000 inhabitants is crossed, even more draconian rules will be imposed, such as the limitation of private meetings to 10 people from 2 households maximum, and the closing of restaurants at 11 p.m. The federal government and the lender, which are responsible for health policies, spent 8 hours on Wednesday drafting these rules which attempt to unify the extremely disparate situations resulting from federalism.